Welcome to Train Signal. You're watching a lesson on power supplies. Now, real quick, before we get in and look at the actual power supplies themselves, there are some basics of electricity. So this is going to be kind of like electricity 101 here that we need to go through. You need to understand certain concepts first. So the first term really that I want you to know about is something called voltage. Okay, or sometimes we just say volts. Volts have to do with the force of electricity, how powerful, how forceful the electricity is. A couple examples I have here is this would be an example of a very low amount of force, right? The water is just kind of trickling out of these pipes. Whereas here we have a high amount of force. We have the water is just thrusting out of the pipe really hard. Okay, and that would be the example of voltage. When you see that something is low or high voltage when it comes to electricity, it's the amount of strength of the power, the force of that energy.